This self-massage can transform your knees. Start by massaging the knee with up and down movements to quickly reduce discomfort. Then add gentle side-to-side motions that strengthen the joint and improve its stability. Just 1 minute a day is enough to notice a real difference and feel greater freedom of movement. It's a simple and effective method you can do on your own at home. Place your hand in a bowl of water with ice cubes. Keep it there for 5 minutes. Move your fingers, bend, and stretch them to help your hand adjust to the cold. This simple method supports tissue recovery, improves circulation, reduces swelling, and speeds up healing of minor injuries. Repeat regularly to keep your hands in top shape. Just a spoonful can help relieve knee pain. Apply any lotion to your leg to make the skin slippery. Take a spoon and gently slide it upward along the muscle while straightening your knee. Do this for 3 minutes a day. This simple trick relaxes the muscles around the knee and eases discomfort. Use it daily. Your knees will thank you. I will show you movements that will slow down your aging process. The hands have a huge impact on your body. Just a few minutes a day are enough to stimulate what is most important in us. The first movement is to straighten your hand and touch your pinky finger with the base of your thumb. This simple gesture supports coordination and synchronizes both hemispheres of the brain. The second movement is to bend your thumb into the inside of your hand and close the remaining fingers into a fist. This exercise improves concentration and makes it easier to focus on one task. The third movement is to bend all the fingers so that their tips touch each other. This gesture stimulates memory and supports the absorption of new information. The fourth movement is to bend the pinky, ring, and index fingers into the palm, and then touch the middle finger to the thumb. This position strengthens reflexes and develops the ability to think logically. These exercises look like play, but they are real training for your brain. Repeat them regularly, and your brain will thank you. Try it. If you feel tension in your knees, do these exercises regularly. Repeat them every day. All you need are 2 bottles to make it easier. Do 40 repetitions on each side. This movement improves flexibility, strengthens the area around the joints, and helps your knees feel lighter and more comfortable day by day. Exercises for heavy and swollen legs. Start by lifting your heels and the front of your feet. Repeat it twice for 20 reps. Next, take 20 steps in place without lifting your feet off the ground. The third exercise involves moving your feet outward while keeping your heels together. The fourth exercise. Lift only your toes as high as you can without lifting the midfoot off the floor. Exercise number 5. Roll your toes against the ground. Exercise number 6. Stand on the outer edges of your feet.